I'm Anil Kumar, and here is another test question on interactions of lines and planes. Question is, calculate the intersection between the following objects. If they don't intersect, find the minimum distance between them. So we have two objects here, xyz equals to 573 plus s times 14 minus 3 plus t times 212, and 11x minus 8y minus 7z plus 616 equals to 0. Now these objects, as you can see, are both planes, right? So that is the Cartesian form. There's vector form in two parameters. So let us say these are my planes pi 1 and pi 2. So these are the two planes. Now two planes will intersect in different ways. One is they could be just the same planes intersecting all over. They could be parallel planes not intersecting at all, or they could be intersecting at a point. Now to find whether they are parallel or not, or they are coincident or not, overlapping or not, we can find normal and then figure it out. So let's find normal for the first plane, right, which you can find by cross product of these two. So we'll do 1, 4 minus 3 cross of 2, 1, 2, right? So once you find cross product, we get normal. And we know normal of the other plane is 11 minus 8 minus 7. So let's do the normal. Find the normal with cross product. So we'll do I, J, K. You can use the method which you have been using to find normal. 1, 4 minus 3, 2, 1, 2, right? So we say I, and then in this we have 4 times 2, 8, minus plus 3 in this case, minus J, right? And for J it is 1 times 2, minus 2 times, that becomes 6, plus K, right? 1 minus 8. So which I could write as 11I minus 8J, and that is minus 7K, right? So what we get is the vector for normal is indeed 11 minus 8 minus 7. So what we find here is that normal vector here is also same, right? It's 11 minus 8 minus 7, right? Both are same. Now when both are same, then either the planes are parallel or they are coincident, right? So we're trying to say that the two planes could be either parallel, so they could be kind of like this, one over the other, right? So that could be the case, or they are overlapping, or they are like overlapping, right? So that is the case. How do we figure that out? So we can find whether they are overlapping or not by checking the point. Now this point 573 is on plane pi 1. If this point lies on plane 2 also, that means they are the same planes, overlapping. If not, they are parallel, right? So what we are checking is, let's say this is the plane pi 1, and we know there is a point here, 573. So we'll check this point on this particular plane. If the equation satisfy, it is on pi 2. If not, it is not. So we'll substitute 573 for x, y, z. So on pi 2 plane, we are checking the point 573, right? So we get 11 times 5 minus 8 times 7 minus 7 times 3 plus 616. Let's find what this is equal to, right? So we have 11 times 5 minus 8 times 7 minus 7 times 3 plus 616 equals to. So we get a number which is not 0, right? So it is not equal to 0. So since it is not equal to 0, we have parallel planes, right? So it's conditions shown like this. So this is pi 2 for us. They're not same planes. So these are parallel planes. So that means we can find distance between the two planes now, right? So these are not intersecting at all. So we'll now find the minimum distance between these two planes. So for that, I'll do it in the next video. So we'll follow the next video for finding distance between these two planes, which are indeed parallel. Thank you.